Low income doesn't mean saving is impossible. This is a misconception. With proper planning, it's possible to start saving even on a small income. In today's video, we'll see how to gradually begin saving for the future. The first step is to track your expenses, to understand where the money is going. If you don't keep track, you won't even realize where your money is disappearing. At the end of the day, reviewing your expense log helps identify where you can cut back. Eliminating unnecessary spending is most important. Small expenses, like tea outside or unused subscriptions, can consume a lot of money by the end of the month. By reducing these, you can easily begin saving. Pay yourself first means setting aside your savings as soon as you receive your income. Whether it's $5 or $10, the habit is what matters most. The key goal is to keep this money completely separate from your spending. Make a list before going to the market so you don't end up buying unnecessary items. Choosing the right products through discounts or offers can significantly reduce expenses. Smart shopping can also help increase your savings. Cooking at home instead of eating out cuts costs in half. When family members cooperate, both time and money are saved. Saving becomes a habit more easily when you work together. Slow but steady saving is the real key. If you patiently stick to this habit, it creates strong future security. Even people with low income can build a better future if they try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Share it with your friends and subscribe to stay connected. And let us know in the comments, how do you save money?